Hi everyone, it's Gina. Welcome to my channel. It is time to unbox the October limited edition kit from my creative scrapbook. I hope you'll stick around and see what's inside. Alright, here we go. We've got our 3 packs of flowers, and let's see, well, these two are Prima flowers, and we have a 49 and Market flower thrown in. How about that? Oh look, circles. I've just been using circle punches, so look how fantastic this stamp is for me. That is so awesome. It looks like it's definitions. Smile, the word kind, love, friend, fabulous, dream, and memories. Then we just have like a solid circle area here. And those little words, awesome, that is great. Oh, I'm excited. Gonna have to get out my circle punch. And here are our chipboard stickers with pumpkins, sweater weather, yes. Hopefully, it's still pretty warm here. I am waiting for sweater weather. All right, autumn, lots of cute images, very nice. And we have a stencil. You just can't go wrong with circles. You just can't, so this is a great stencil. I'm going to do the ephemera at the end, and that leads us right to our papers. So yes, fall, hello autumn, fall, give thanks. Take you into November just a little bit, so that is great. Let's see, this is a Prima marketing paper, and the collection is Hello Pink Autumn Collection. And the page name is Fall Hugs. Very nice. Ooh, look at that. Boy, great background. Awesome. Oh, oh wow. What is this? Let's see. Oh, it's a vellum sheet. Huh, I don't think I've ever gotten a kit with a vellum sheet before. That's nice. And look at the pumpkins, they're so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Grateful Hearts. This one is called Grateful Hearts. Of course. Beautiful leaves. Another nice background. Beautiful. Here we go. Oh, look at that. I bet my 3-inch circle punch will punch that whole thing out. And you can bet I'm going to try. This page is called Give Thanks. Ooh, pretty. Hey, I wonder if that's what the page looks like. Let me see. There we go. So yep, that's the exact same page. So the vellum page matches this page. And this one is called Happy Fall. That's beautiful. Look at that. I love it. Oh, nice. Just very, you know, some people may look at this and think blah, but if you're making something that has, if you want to make a card and it's got all this pattern and there's, you know, a lot going on, you know, you need some plain paper to help set the stage for either your focal point or your sentiment. So these pages come in really, really handy. Oh, a little bit more. This one's called Hello Pink Autumn. Very pretty. Pumpkins. I kind of favor this pumpkin sheet though, I have to be honest. I like this pumpkin sheet better than the pink pumpkin sheet. But lovely nonetheless. Oh wow, look at that. It's like a sweater. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. And this one is called Sweater Weather. And lots of sentiments here. Again, some circles, but we have some much, you know, bigger sentiment, so lots to work with here. We have another page of the Hello Pink Autumn. Okay. And oh, we have another page of the Sweater Weather. Great. Let's take a look at the ephemera. Lots of beautiful images that of course go along with the papers of our kit. Sweater weather. Love the sentiments. Love the mushrooms. Let's see. Autumn. Crunchy leaves. Oh, I love that about autumn. That's the classic autumn sound. All right. Just lots of beautiful images and lots of smaller sentiments. Some of the sentiments on the pages were quite large, which is fine because sometimes, you know, in your layout or even on your card design, you need something that's bigger. You want maybe the sentiment to be your main focal point, and it's nice to have a larger image. But it's also nice to have these smaller ones as well, because maybe your whole card is just, you know, maybe it's just a little card. So it's great to have variety, lots of options. Look at that. Living the pumpkin spice life. I know some people who are just nuts about pumpkin spice and just live for this time of year so they can have their pumpkin spice lattes and such. So that's great. So that's what we have for our ephemera pack. All right, let's do a quick recap. We have 8 pages of Prima Marketing paper, and the collection is Hello Pink Autumn Collection. And an additional page that is vellum. So that's 9 pieces in this collection. There's the ephemera pack with images that go with the papers. There's this extremely versatile stencil with circles that make fantastic backgrounds no matter what you're working on. We have chipboard stickers that go with the collection. We've got this super awesome stamp with circles and definitions of great words to use as sentiments to include in whatever you're creating. I'm super excited about this piece. And of course, we have our 3 packs of flowers. So there you go. This is the limited edition kit for my Creative Scrapbook for October. If you're interested in checking out my Creative Scrapbook to see about this kit or some of the other kits that they have, then check in the description box. I'll include the link. This is just the kit that I get. If you get a certain kit that you are really excited about, then please share it in the comments below, because I would love to hear what all comes in your kit and what you like about it. Show me some love, give me the thumbs up. I appreciate it, and I definitely want to hear from you. That helps out my channel so very much. So thank you ahead of time for your likes and your comments and all of that good stuff. All right, that's going to be it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.